Okay, good afternoon, good evening mga kawalwal. The Atomy product is coming now from Korea. It's ready for delivery all supermarket, Asco, Falcon, Shopwise, and Philippine store.
Unpack.
All Colgate and toothbrush from Atomy Korea product is coming here, ready to deliver at my house. See. Now, the Atomy toothpaste and all product from Atomy from Korea is coming now and ready to deliver all branches of Falcon, Shopwise, and Asco supermarket and Philippine store. So, come now at Asco supermarket and Shopwise and Falcon supermarket. All product of Atomy is available now.
All
There.
Falcons.
All Falcons is all available Atomy product. And also Asco and Shopwise and Philippine
Do you
store.
have this one?
You have also this new ethereal oil patches for the
pain.
body pain.
Headache pain.
It is effective. Just put a little in your parts of the body, and
On your
the
head.
pain is kalas. See, this is the ethereal oil patches, like
5 patches.
yes, like salumpas.
But this one
This
is
is
very
the
effective.
effective body pain. Just cut a little bit and just put in your part of your body. Then the body pain is kalas. So this is the price cargo ship delivered today direct from Korea. This is the Atomy product. You have also a beauty products. They will show you this. What's this?
Lip balm.
What's that called?
Lip balm.
A lip balm.
Lip gloss.
Lip gloss for the female. This is a skin product. Beauty product is available also or from Atomy. Or beauty product, toothpaste, toothbrush is available at Atomy. So,
And all about skin do.
and come now in All About Skin Duha.
You go there.
You go there and grab it and buy it now. All skin product and Atomy toothpaste and also
Oral care.
an oral kit. Not also in
We have all.
also in Falcon, Asco supermarket and Shopwise is available also there.
Then have iPad.
Then I have iPads. iPads for
The wrinkles.
the wrinkles, especially for the ladies. This is very effective. So come now and grab it and buy it now from Duha Skin, All About Skin Duha and Falcon Supermarket, Shopwise and Asco Supermarket. So thank you and don't forget to subscribe and hit the button bell and like. Thank you.